There are plenty of outdoor security cameras in the market, but Eufy just launched a new SoloCam S340 model. If I say we found the best outdoor PTZ solar security camera in the market, I'm not exaggerating. So let's dive into the review and see what makes SoloCam S340 the best outdoor solar powered security camera. First, let's do a quick unboxing. In the box, you have a SoloCam S340, a solar panel, a multiple USB cables, installation and mounting kit, and installation and setup guide. Now let's look at the specs. SoloCam S340 is a dual lens PTZ security camera. Wide lens has 3K resolution, telephoto lens has 2K resolution, it has 8GB local drive, so no monthly fee, it has 135-degree field of view, it has a hybrid 8x zoom, it has a built-in spotlight, it has color and infrared night vision, it is a PTZ camera so it can pan, tilt 360-degree horizontal and 70-degree vertical, it has a built-in speaker and mic for audio, it is powered by AI so it can detect humans, vehicles and more, and it weighs only 2.56 pounds and cost only $199 at the time of this review. Now let's talk about installation and build quality. First, the build quality. I have to say, I'm extremely impressed by the build quality of the SoloCam S340. The attention to detail is top-notch. By holding the unit, you can really appreciate the material fit and finish. So when it comes to installation, it was quick, simple and easy. I was impressed by the instructions and simple setup. The included mount for the camera is a snap-on, and solar panel is super easy to mount on the top of the camera for a nice, complete, simple and sleek setup. The good thing is solar panel is mount adjustable to find the perfect angle for full sun exposure. It took me less than 10 minutes to install the whole thing. Kudos to Eufy. Now let's talk about the video quality and features. When it comes to features, the SoloCam S340 PTZ security camera is full of great features like PTZ, 3K resolution, dual camera with 8x zoom, built-in spotlight, solar panel, so you never have to plug in or recharge, thanks to the built-in 10,000 mAh battery with 1.2 watt solar panel. SoloCam S340 requires only 2 hours of daily sunlight to power all day. The solar panel can be positioned for optimal energy collection and high power battery that stores up to 3 months of power based on average usage. The camera is powered by AI. It can detect humans, vehicles, pets with 98% accuracy, and once triggered, it follows the object with 360-degree horizontal and 70-degree vertical with 135-degree field of view to cover the large area. In the following test, you can clearly see AI is able to detect humans and keep tracking of its movement regardless of the surroundings. It keeps the object in the focus. This is an outstanding result. It will follow the object movement either it is a human or vehicle or pet, and you can select these options from the camera settings. As mentioned before, SoloCam S340 is a dual camera system. It has 3K and 2K lens, and when both combined can create up to 8x hybrid zoom and up to 50 feet of details of human or license plate. You can either switch the camera into a single view mode or dual view mode. Dual view mode shows both wide and telephoto camera. In single view, you can switch between both by pressing the zoom options under the live view. I've been using this camera for a few days, and as you can see, it has been charging using solar power without any problem. The weather conditions obviously will affect the charging rate. As you can see, the first 2 days I have great sunlight, but on the third day I have cloudy and rainy day all day. But still, the solar panel was able to squeeze some power from some sunlight. Excellent results in my opinion. The camera's 3K sensor offers multiple video capture capabilities. Following are the video clips captured from the camera in different resolutions. So first I will play each resolution for 10 seconds. First, 3K resolution. As you can see, it can also require more bandwidth but still optimize for great compression without losing the details. Followed by the 1080p clip, which requires less bitrate, which means smaller file compared to 3K. Followed by the 720p, which even requires less bitrate and even smaller files. And last, and the one I would recommend, is the auto, which automatically adjusts the bitrate, which allows you to save more video clips on the local storage. All this can be stored locally on a built-in 8GB local storage and no monthly fee required or cloud storage to view your video clips. This is an A+ in my opinion and would easily be the excellent option for the buyers compared to other security cameras which charge a monthly fee. So great job by Eufy again. The night vision clips are also crisp, and great IR power LED keeps the monitoring area well detailed to capture intruders. You have the option to also enable the built-in spotlight for color videos as well. The built-in speaker is quite loud, which trigger using siren option to scare the intruders. The PTZ functionality and controls are easy and responsive. Overall, excellent video quality in the night mode and the daytime mode. The security alerts and quick trigger of the video capture function is top-notch. So great job by Eufy again. Finally, let's look at the Eufy Security app and setup process. Let me start by saying the app is great in my opinion. The security camera setup process was extremely easy. Just install the app and follow instructions in the app to complete the setup. It only took me 5 minutes without plugging in or connecting camera to anything. Great job by Eufy. The app is extremely responsive with a ton of settings to choose from. The main page shows you the device, and on the bottom menu likes events where you can see all your captured video clips, AI Edge, security, and explore Eufy devices. And the device itself, the SoloCam S340, shows its Wi-Fi signal, battery information, name, and in the bottom of the menu you have record button for video capture, sound, mic, pan and tilt and light options. By clicking on settings, it will show you the camera motion detection option, power management. This is a great feature that shows working mode. I will leave it to optimize battery life. One of my favorite things in the app is the solar dashboard. It shows real-time battery information, solar charging energy information, which is great. It also shows the total solar charging efficiency, total time to solar charging, and all that with the trend line for 7 or 30 days, which is great. Also in the app, you can also set preset positions, pan, tilt settings, spotlight, on and off settings. You also have options like video, audio notifications. General option shows more great information, storage, Wi-Fi, and more. You can also share the device with other house members by sending them a link via email. There are a ton of options to choose and great app functionality. Great job by Eufy. Let's do the final summary. Overall, Eufy SoloCam S340 is hands down the best solar power PTZ security camera I have tested. The build and video quality of the camera is outstanding. AI functionality is excellent with 100% success rate in my experience. SoloCam S340 is loaded with excellent features. An option to mount the camera anywhere without requiring the power source forever is hard to beat. On that basis, I highly recommend you should check out Solo S340 PTZ security camera if you're in the market for a solar power security camera with all the best features available in any security camera. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like and sub to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.